सो एमआईटी ने ना एक बहुत बढ़िया सर्वे किया था. दे मेड 50 पीपल राइट एन essay, out of which half of them were supposed to use ChatGPT to write the essay, and half of them were supposed to use their own brain search करके the normal way of essay लिखो, and the findings were astonishing. I mean, the 50% people जिन्होंने ChatGPT use किया, there was a 47% drop in their brain activity. In fact, 83% of those people were not able to even recollect what they had written just 2 minutes ago. This is what they call cognitive debt. It is also described as the brain's dependency on AI. Whereas the brain only writers जिन्होंने अपने मन से लिखा था, their essays had like a personal fingerprint on their essays, and their essays were more unique. That is something that AI cannot do by itself. So what does this tell us? AI is taking over the market, but it is up to us to make sure that we are not dependent on AI. And we are going to face this problem somewhere or the other, sometime or the other, and every single one of you is going to face this problem sometime or the other, जहाँ पे आपकी dependency on AI इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है कि slowly you stop thinking. So here are two things that I do on a daily basis that helps me not only work faster, but helps my brain also understand some things and learn in a smarter way. सो इमेजिन अगर आपको एक ईमेल लिखना है इस फेस्टिवल के लिए छुट्टी करने के लिए. ओके. आजकल क्या होता है कि आप चैट जीपीटी पे डाल दो, वो आपको एक फॉर्मल ईमेल दे देगा, वो आप पेस्ट कर लो एंड सेंड हिट करो. दिस इज़ वेयर यू कैन हेल्प योर सेल्फ लर्न. So the best thing you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to write a professional but हल्का सा informal email, and आपको एक email मिल जाएगा. And instead of copy pasting it, you need to go and write it by yourself. It is always said कि अगर आपको कोई चीज़ सीखनी है, समझनी है, तो आप अगर उसको लिखोगे तो आपको वो जल्दी समझ में आ जाएगी. एंड चैट जीपीटी इज़ द टीचर दैट इज़ हेल्पिंग यू राइट देन एंड देयर, बट उसको कॉपी पेस्ट मत करो. द सिमिलर थिंग गोज ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. इंस्टाग्राम पे ये वंडरफुल ऑप्शन है जहाँ पे 5 अलग तरीके से आप आपके सेंटेंस रीराइट कर सकते हो. यू गो ओवर दोज 5-6 सेंटेंसेज वॉट एवर यू लाइक, बट खुद 1-2 मिनट लेके वो टाइप करो. दैट विल हेल्प योर ब्रेन function properly. So, in conclusion, AI makes you faster and not smarter. Okay, so I'm not saying कि AI is bad, AI is good. AI is going to be here for a very long time. AI is going to keep getting better. But now, more than ever, now is the time जहाँ पे you are responsible for your own improvement. AI पे dependency कम करो. Do not let AI take over your life, but use AI to get better at what you are doing and faster at what you're doing.